Beasley.
This weekend, today, I'm telling you, that's one of the reasons I moved to the Gulf Coast. This weather is amazing.
It really was. Now, Saturday was a little cloudier and a little cooler than I wanted it to be.
Yeah, but Sunday was absolutely beautiful.
And today was even better.
Yes.
It looks like, though, we have some changes on the way, Kim, and that's going to be in the form of some rain. You know, this beautiful weather couldn't last forever, and that's going to be the case here later tonight. We're going to be dealing with some clouds rolling in. And this time tomorrow, we're going to have rain across our area. Live Pinpoint Doppler is quiet at the present time. Here's a look at the time lapse from our Gulf Shores beach cam. You can see the folks there making their way to the beach. The beach is getting a little crowded there, particularly across Baldwin County and across Northwest Florida as well. Some folks taking advantage of the sea breeze there and flying a few kites. Lots of folks soaking up that sunshine out there, and we're going to be seeing more of that as spring break is beginning here across the Gulf Coast here for the next several weeks. Visible satellite view from space showing clear skies, although if you'll notice here, a couple little puffs of smoke, some controlled burns, looks like over in the DeSoto National Forest, in the southeast Mississippi, and a couple across northwest Florida and southwest Alabama. But besides that, not picking up any clouds at all. Lots of sunshine is going to translate to mostly clear skies through midnight tonight. Then the clouds are going to start rolling in after midnight, and it's all because of this storm system that's just off to our west. You can see it right here. Some of these high clouds are going to try to push in here by this evening, but this is our storm system that's going to bring us the rain tomorrow, moving through South Texas. As we put Storm Predictor into motion here, you can see the upper level energy associated with it is going to track right across the northern Gulf. That's going to bring the rain into our area here as early as tomorrow afternoon. So here's a look at Pinpoint Predictor, the RPM model. This is just one of the many computer models we use, and it gives you an idea of kind of the timing of the rain for tomorrow. And it looks like the best chances beginning late morning to the west of Mobile, and then gradually spreading across the area as we go into the afternoon. So as you can see, by 2 o'clock in the evening, this particular model has the rain, at least a steadier rain, trying to push into parts of the Gulf Coast, the Mississippi Gulf Coast into Mobile and Baldwin County. And it looks like we've got about a 12 to 18-hour window of rainfall between noon tomorrow and about midnight, and perhaps all the way as late as noon on Wednesday, although it looks like the best chance will be midnight, noon to midnight for tomorrow. Then we're going to be watching a cold front that's going to come through late Wednesday, and that is going to bring some cooler weather to the region. We've got lows in the 30s expected here for Thursday and Friday morning with highs in the 60s, so it won't get overly cold. We're not looking at any freezing weather, but we will have some chilly mornings here by the end of the week. Forecast for tomorrow looks like this. Again, this is on the conservative side. If we do see a little bit more sunshine, the rain comes in later, we'll be a little bit warmer than this, but expect highs around 70. Fairly high chance for rain from Mobile and Baldwin County. Inland sections around 70 to low 70s from Bruton to Chatham over towards Monroeville, northwest Florida. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer there. Rain should come in later in the day, but you get the idea. Highs generally in the upper 60s and lower to middle 70s. High chance for rain. That'll continue for southeast Mississippi as well. Leaksville around 70, and the same thing for Pascagoula. Here's your 7-day forecast, including St. Patty's Day, which comes next Monday. At this point, it looks like we'll see that little brief cool down by the end of the week behind the front. The best chance for rain will come tomorrow, and then it looks like a little cooler and breezy here for Thursday. 30s Thursday, Friday morning. This weekend, some very small chances for rain return to the forecast, so cloudy and humid this weekend. So this weekend doesn't look as nice as this past weekend, but at least today was nice.
When is spring? March 21st?
March 21st. I got to make note of that.
Okay, I'm ready for it. I'm so over this winter. I want it to stay like this.
Yeah, it would be nice, but you know, March is kind of one of those transition months. We're up and down, and hopefully as we get into April, things will start to even out a little bit.
We hope so.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Vince Woods is our Facebook friend of the day.